Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be showing you how to import dashboards to your CRM. Let's get started. Mautic offers a number of different preset dashboards which focus on certain metrics and display your data in different formats. You also have the option to upload your own predefined dashboard to Mautic. By using a custom-built dashboard, it's easy for your team to track the data you need in the format you want without having to create a dashboard from scratch. In the top right-hand corner of your dashboard, click the inverted arrow and select Import. You'll then be directed to a screen which allows you to preview and import any of Mautic's predefined dashboards or upload a dashboard file yourself. The default dashboard is the one your CRM came with and includes 11 general reports. In contrast, the alternative dashboard includes reports on points and top contact creators. Many of the reports are also displayed in a more condensed format. Before importing a different layout, you can always select Preview and scroll down to the bottom of your page to see how this dashboard would look like in your Mautic CRM. If your school specifically wants to track email reporting, you can select the Email Overview dashboard. If you're chiefly interested in viewing statistics, check out the Stats Overview report. Once you've found the right dashboard for you, simply press Apply. Keep in mind that you can always customize your Mautic reports no matter the layout or dashboard type you choose. If you've previously exported your dashboard, you can always import it again if you want to compare or refer to similar charts. To upload one of these predefined dashboards, first select the Choose File button, upload your file, and the new dashboard will be automatically added to your system. And that's it! Now you know how to import dashboards to your CRM. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.